Yours, mate.
Hello. Say hello.
Hiya.
So today we're going to be doing slime pet peeves.
Okay.
This is... Who's this?
Okay.
I don't know your name. Right, so we're going to start off by hard slime. So one pet peeve of hard slime. Let me do the first pet peeve. It is really hard. You can't really stretch it.
Oh, it has too much borax in it.
Yeah, and it had too much borax in it. So that's one.
The second one is when they try to say it's not wet and you can clearly see it's wet
because it's really like
because when you pull it, it'll just
your hands get really wet.
it'll just break.
So the next slime is sticky slime. By the way, this slime is sticky because it melted. So as you can see, it isn't as good slime. It's like, and yes, I bought this slime. So one thing about sticky slime is when it gets stuck to your fingers like that. Look, you can see stuck, and you start playing with like other slime that is perfect, and then you get orange in different colours, and that's the horrible thing about it.
And this is like really sticky because it can.
Right, tell another pet peeve about sticky slime.
Another pet peeve about sticky slime is when they're like,
You can't get it off your fingers.
When they're going on about it saying, oh, this is perfect slime, and it's not sticky, and when you can clearly see it's sticky because
I've got it stuck in your fingers.
It gets stuck, and it just
Right, so next slime is perfect slime. Why is it perfect? Because it stretches really well. If it stretches, you can do things with it and everything. So yeah, you can do loads of stuff with it. So that's perfect slime. And one pet peeve actually about perfect slime is when it gets really like. One thing about perfect slime, a pet peeve, is when like other people want to touch the slime and that because it's really good. So yeah, thanks for watching.
No, I need to do a pet peeve about this one.
Okay.
Okay, this pet peeve is when they talk about the slime for like forever.
Because how good it is.
This is like so good, and pokes, it's so good, and when you stretch it, it's so good. And it like gets on your nerves.
I got orange, pink stuff on
Yes, it might be really good slime.
Get off of it.
But you don't need to go on for it forever.
Right, so thank you. Comment, share, and subscribe. So, bye-bye.
Bye.